In this Teamwork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your location's special days. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Make sure you have your enterprise or your location selected, then click on Locations. Click on the location whose special days you want to view. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Lists. Select Special Days from the drop-down menu. And now you should arrive at a list of your special days. You can see the name of the day, whether or not it is blacked out, when this special day starts, when it ends, and if it is only local. Special days include things like orientation, maybe inventory, holidays, spring break if you have a lot of students, things like that that are going to affect how you schedule your employees. If you want to create special days, you do need enterprise permissions. This is how you can view your location special days. Check out the next video to learn how to assign employees location-specific skills.